Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix operation could not be completed error 0x00000771 printer error. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Stop and start print spooler service. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand control, click print. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as RPC auth level privacy enabled, change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.